Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Shabby Chic Serenity, a floral seafoam dream. You know that feeling when you walk into a space and it just feels like a gentle, comforting sigh? That's the exact vibe we're chasing today. We're talking about a shabby chic house, but we're giving it a specific dreamy twist. Imagine the well-loved, vintage-inspired aesthetic washed in soft seafoam green and creamy white. Now add the timeless charm of floral wallpaper patterns throughout. This isn't about being perfectly polished. It's about creating a home that feels effortlessly beautiful and deeply peaceful. It's like your favorite vintage teacup, slightly worn, incredibly charming, and always ready to welcome you. So let's wander through this dream house together, room by room. Picture a cottage-style house with peeling soft white paint that shows glimpses of history. The front door is painted in a muted seafoam green, a hint of the palette inside. Climbing roses and clematis frame the entry, a living extension of the floral theme. In the garden, rustic wooden benches sit amongst lavender and hydrangeas. Everything feels a little wild, romantic, and utterly inviting. It's a first impression that whispers, "Come in, relax, and stay a while." Step inside, and the first thing you see is a feature wall in a delicate, sprawling floral wallpaper. Seafoam blossoms on a cream background. A distressed white console table holds a jug of fresh garden clippings. Underfoot, a faded Persian-style rug adds warmth and a touch of pattern. A vintage mirror with a flaking gilt frame hangs above, reflecting the soft light. The air smells faintly of linen and lavender. It's not a grand hallway, it's a gentle, welcoming hug. This is the heart of the home, where comfort reigns supreme. Maybe just one chimney breast is papered in a larger scale floral print, keeping it from feeling overwhelming. A supremely slouchy sofa, draped in cream linen slipcovers and piled with seafoam and floral cushions, begs you to curl up. A chipped, painted coffee table displays stacks of books and a porcelain lamp. Sun filters through sheer curtains, lighting up the dust motes like fairy dust. It's lived in, layered, and perfectly imperfect. Here, the floral wallpaper takes center stage, creating a cocoon of tranquility. Imagine a canopy bed with billowing cream curtains, like a cloud in a seafoam garden. Bed linens are a mix of vintage embroidered sheets and a softly nubbly cream knit throw. A vanity table, its white paint gently chipped, Holds pretty perfume bottles and a china dish for jewelry. It's a room designed for lazy Sunday mornings and deep, restful sleep. Think of a farmhouse table. It's wood worn smooth by years of meals and conversation. Mismatched chairs, all painted in varying shades of white and seafoam, surround it. Overhead, a crystal chandelier adds a touch of unexpected glamour against the floral walls. Meals are served on mixed vintage china, with linen napkins and tarnished silver. It feels less like a formal dining room and more like the setting for long, laughter-filled gatherings with friends. Cabinets are painted in that soft seafoam green, with cream-colored open shelves displaying white pottery and green glass jars. Butcher block countertops show the marks of daily love and use. A small framed section of floral wallpaper might peek from behind the stove or inside open cabinets. Fresh herbs in terracotta pots sit on the windowsill. It's a functional, friendly space that feels nostalgic and nourishing. even hear the floral theme blooms. Perhaps it's a chair rail with wallpaper above and beadboard painted seafoam below. A gorgeous clawfoot tub painted cream is the star of the room. Plush towels in cream and seafoam are stacked on a weathered wooden ladder. A collection of vintage botanical prints hangs on the walls. Light a candle, sink into the bubbles, and you've found your own little spa-like retreat. It's the perfect, peaceful end to the tour.